How to add picture after posting on Instagram. Make sure that you have installed the latest version of Instagram from the Google Play Store or App Store of your phone. If you have already done so, then you can simply and normally open your Instagram. On the down right side, there is a profile. When you tap on this, your profile will be seen something like this. Just tap on any one post that you want to edit or add new features to. Tap on the three vertical dots which is here. Now when you tap on edit, what you can do is you can simply edit the text here. You can add caption for each photos, but there is not any option for adding new extra photos on your post. So if you want to add all this same thing and same caption again, then if you think you have posted something wrong, you can delete the photos, but you cannot add any extra photos to the post that you have already posted. If you don't want it to be seen, then you can simply archive it and then post your post again, or you can pin it if you want people to see it more by just tapping on pin to your profile. But I don't want to pin it, so I will just unpin it. So yes guys, this is how you do it. So here you know that you cannot post extra pictures after you have already posted photos on your Instagram. I hope this helps you. If you liked our video, then please do subscribe to our channel and comment on the comment section for any suggestions or any new ideas of videos. Thank you.